Hey everybody, it's nearly Christmas and I have Samsung Galaxy Tag 2 in my hand. Oh, smart tag. Understand, man? Okay guys, so as you can see behind me, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. And all I have is one Samsung Smart Tag 2. Two, but only one. Now what do? Well, let's do an unboxing, get it set up, find out what it can do. So, thievery in Tassie. It's here, it happens nearly in every suburb. So now it's time for us to fight back with a Samsung Tag 2. $55. It's not going to stop your bike from getting stolen, but it's going to help you get your bike back. So this here is my VL's GPS tracking unit. So it can show me where the car is at any time of the day, whether or not there's power or not to the car, with a SIM card, which costs me money overall. It costs me a monthly fee to be able to send so many messages a month to the SIM card. It's getting old, it's very big. And now we have Samsung Tag 2. Bit of size difference, but this connects to all the Samsung phones and even iPhone, I believe. I think they've made it. And every time it runs into a phone, it'll beep its location to me, and we should be able to find all our stuff again. So, 2015, 2023. Hi Gracie, I see you hiding over there. How long have you been there for? The VL, the motorbike, the VA, or the caravan, or the Chrysler. Where does it need to go? I need a 4-pack, people. You need to view and subscribe so I can buy more. And then I can connect them to whichever car I need to look after more. So let's go find out what the Tag 2 can do. Ooh. I get a little key. What does the booklet say? Will we worry about reading the instructions? Probably not. Ooh, there is a button on it. Look, I can go click, 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 click. Do not use product in a hot environment or near a fire. Better not put it near the engine. Then. Do not swallow or disassemble any battery. Well, it's not food. It doesn't look like it tastes very nice. So I think they're pretty safe there that we're not going to eat it. Keep batteries away from infants and children. Well, I've got some children here, but I've got no infants, so we're safe on that aspect. To connect the product to the mobile device, press the A button, turn it on, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. If the pop-up window does not appear, use a mobile device to scan the QR code on the box. Don't go steal my QR code on the box. I can't even see any QR code. Unless it's under the sticker, which I doubt it. It is, it's under here, it's under this sticker. Look, look. Oh, or it's there. But look. Ooh. Insert the ejection pin supplied with the product or a clip into the battery tray hole A and replace the battery. Well, it's brand new. Hopefully I don't have to replace the battery. Check the direction of the battery's positive terminal. If the battery is incorrectly inserted, the product will not work. Well, that's like any device. If you don't put the battery in properly, it's never going to work. Visit Samsung.com to access the user manual. I thought this was the user manual. Well, it's not much for $55. Now I think I have to download Smart Things or some type of app, Samsung app, to make it work. So I keep forgetting Samsung's different to Google. I've got a lot of Google apps but no Samsung apps. I don't use the Samsung wallet or anything like that, so let's give it a go.